Hello friends, welcome to Wild Nature. Today, we will explore one of the largest and most powerful animals on the planet, rhino, warriors of wild nature. Rhino is one of the largest and oldest animals on Earth. There are 5 main rhino species, including white rhino and black rhino in Africa, Indian rhino with a single horn, Java rhino, and Sumatra rhino are in danger of extinction in Southeast Asia. Rhino is mainly living in Africa and Asia. White and black rhino is often found in large and savanna meadows of Africa, while Indian, Java and Sumatra rhino lives in dense tropical forests in South Asia and Southeast Asia. These habitats play an important role in maintaining the health and survival of rhinos. Rhino stands out with a giant body, thick skin like armor, and strong horn on the head. Although the body is large, the rhino can run very fast and prove extremely strong when protecting the territory or against the enemy. The horn of rhino is a symbol of strength and consistency, but unfortunately is the reason why they are hunted the most. Rhino is a grass-eating animal, spending most of the day grazing and drinking water. They also love mud bath, both to cool down and protect the skin from insects. Mother's rhino is often very protective. They teach their children how to find food and defend themselves against the threats in nature. Rhino is currently facing serious extinction, mainly due to illegal hunting to get horns. Rhino horns, which are thought to be of high value in traditional medicine, are pushing this species to extinction. Conservation organizations worldwide are trying to protect rhino through reserve and anti-poaching campaigns. Thank you for discovering the rhino, the brave warriors of nature. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to not miss other interesting videos about the animal world. See you in the next videos.